Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So today's video is a drink called the Millionaire. And yes, you can be a brokey and drink it too, right? Like my very helpful nephew who's been helping me today by cleaning dishes and other stuff, right? He's a brokey, but I still love him. Anyway, so the Millionaire is a prohibition drink, and there's two versions. One has like Jamaican rum and apple brandy, but this one contains bourbon, right? I guess this one's considered Millionaire number 2, right? This is the more known version of it right now, right? So it incorporates bourbon, Grand Marnier, absinthe, and some fresh grenadine, and egg whites, and lemon juice, right? But we're not going to use egg whites. Today we're going to use some fee foam. I used it before. It works really, really well as an egg white substitute. I have eggs, and I can make egg white, but why waste eggs when you got fee foam, right? And look at my descriptions, and you can get you some. It's great for sours and drinks that contains egg whites. But anyway, let's get started. We're going to make this in the mixing glass first, and then pour it into our shaker glass, and that way we're going to reverse do it, right? Because typically what you do is you dry shake it in a shaker glass, and then you put ice in it, and then you shake it again. We're going to do this in here with ice, then add our fee foam in shaker glass, and get a nice, good foam on it. Anyway, so let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. Since this is a Millionaire, I'm using my good stuff. Well, good to me. I love Old Ezra 7. Next, we're going to go 3/4 an ounce of Grand Marnier. Just 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to go 1/4 ounce of absinthe. Just 1/4 ounce, just a little bit. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of some fresh grenadine. Well, it's the bottle fresh from Fever Tree, right? The closer you can get instead of making your own. We're going to do 1/2 ounce. I like this way better than buying the syrup stuff, right? This has a better taste to it. Anyway, next we're going to add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. So this is like a sour, right? There's a lot of sour components to this, and a little sweetness. Going to add some ice. Yeah, speaking of my nephew, right? He's supposed to add ice in my ice bucket and have not done that. But okay, whatever. I'm sure he's not going to get paid anyway. Give this a nice little swirl. Hey, you get fired on your day off, Craig. Next, we're going to put this in our shaker without the ice now because it's already chilled, right? So when I add my fee foam just for the texture purposes of it, I can go straight to my glass with it. And I love this shaker cup too. Oh, forgot the fee foam. So with this, you add 2 to 3 dashes, and it works just like a 1/2 egg white, 1/2 ounce of egg whites. Get a nice little foam. Give it a good shake. Get a little fancy looking glass. How about that? Oh yeah, look at that texture. That fee foam is really nice for stuff like this instead of using egg whites, which I use egg whites, but I don't want to waste egg whites. Look at there, that's pretty. Then I'm going to top it with a little bit of nutmeg. There you have it, a Millionaire. being drunk by a thousandaire. Anyway, cheers. This is good. So the absinthe stands out. But it's not too overpowering, right? It mixed well with the other flavors, the sweetness and the tartness, right, of the lemon. The bourbon is deep in the background. And this is a solid bourbon, right? This is a 58.5% bourbon, 117 proof. So it's a strong bourbon, right? So you don't taste it as much for bourbon that I used, but it's there, right? These flavors, that nutmeg, gives it a little extra, whatever. But this is a solid cocktail. I like it a lot. Anyway, do not forget to like, follow, or share. Till next time, cheers.